Hi everybody, welcome back to Wonderless Ita by Syria. I giving Syria Kuzay a cabin crew, travel and lifestyle matangda a blog semjay, and I am based in Paris, the city of love. So if you're interested, yengingagadi Paris ki matangda France da kari kari tawbiya kaina yengingagadi subscribe to biramo aduga som the cabin crew iningagadi adusu subscribe to biramo. And then ngasi video se Qatar Airways Interview gi matangda loinawak tawdoine. I Qatar Airways tawzade, but interview gi guide ki ka dipi aduduna I ex cabin crew ko by the way. Aduga ngasi gi live se aina sorry ngasi video se ngasai Instagram da akhoi student nama ko Qatar Airways interview pigiba maga wari sanabagi matang dane aduga round things gi matang da su mayam da explain tawzage adu hypet mayam yengbiyo ko. So if you want to apply for Qatar Airways, and it is coming in Shillong and Guwahati as well, so please apply. Chatpagi Qatar Airways ki habdo ay videos da hazar ke do mayam yengminasi. Okay, quite first the application apply to biro makogi Qatar Airways career website tam adugi matangda ay description box ta magi link to ay thamsaramge adu the changa apply to biro which location you want to go, and aduman laire aduga mathang sina apply to ro matungda makoina invitation either for sonru interview sonru gi matangda ay mamangda video mamangda Qatar Airways ki interview mamangda ay loina panjagre aduido yengbiyo ko ay adusu link thazaramge aduga either directly invitation am oina pirakpane assessment day la ona. So assessment day say 3 days assessment day tawe do sigi matangda kupnadi aiga akogi live session to minagiba akogi student Qatar Airways ki finalist se ma ka warishan abase si oina yengbiro ado akogi workshop yauriba angang singdagi pulapna around 7 to 8 of them already got assessment kaino invitation phange. Anyway ngasi kaino se live sana yengbiyo ko aduga loirakanda thank you hajarake yengiro
Fresher first of all ma fresher ne without hesitating fresher oye ai Manipur dagi ne hire without hesitating he applied to Qatar ma next step to magi CV se khala matung da magi invitation se sonru akoi video interview gi la eko aduga la aga mana yum dagi pi bani ko Manipur dagi aduga adudagi mu khala matung da it took him like almost 2.5 months to 2 months magi reply la ko matam da aduga la aga keno tawre mangonda assessment day invitation la aduga ma se Delhi da chatpaneba. Okay, nang na assessment day gi chatpa numito Nirmal adugi numito da nang kamay na preparation tawi first of all nang grooming gi matang da hapetang panbiro aduga nang na chatpa matam da adugi first mogi 3 days interview do da ne first assessment gi ko first day do da kai da we have the habiro.
Hoi, first assessment day ay grooming gi na nupagi wena di samje hoi yamna kukat wena kakpujya de kada kitang skin wanda vida cabin crew gi male gi haircut ada gel na tayraga sam phatokta vida yung handa vida na tayraga chale aduga hoi blazer le dagi khungau adum suit to phasna tawar chale tai fulle aduga adu chalaga hoi pulap phame kai nom the whole am the phame aduga moi कहता है timing ले वो को आई की दुना 10 AM की ओय आई की दुना अदो अमोय ऐसे अहान बगी दिलो अदो संगा आई resume का कइनो का दो आई email invitation letter दुगो दो हाने पिछले अदो का मोय ने resume तो लावे अदो का question खरा मोय ना आई की background की मरम दा आई कराई दिनो आई करी की cabin crew पाम winning बनो अदो की मतंग बे खरा हंगे ये height check तवरे मोय अदुगी मनुंग मोयना कइगुंबा पामबा मोयना कहतारे सी यागनी हाइबो खनबा मोय मसादा के पामे खलगदी मोय इन्विटेशन दे बिरे अदुगा कशनतबा मी ददी क्वेश्चन दागा थंजन बे यावेबा अदरा इन्विटेशन दे तरिया क्वेश्चन दागा हंगबागा कहतारे नंग सुपर पावर ओय पामगदी काम सुपर पावर नंग अदुगा हंगे याले हायगा aiga pamina ba kangu le ho kangu da aria adumai tawe aduga invitation de pure no alaga muk lae no alaga na kaino gi english test tawe english test to kashu ai jam lu ho gi MCQ ma ta oye ko adu english test to taw gi ma wang de moina kata gi ma da ka de video ka pro ga yeng hale ba adu kata airline de kata la ma da aduga adu lo ga video do ka pro yang kan da ko ina ko adu gi ma ka sok kana blog san hawe ko aduga question paper do piraga question paper do akoina main khat oina MCQ ni na main khalle main khat pa ji code pa du ba adagi schedule tok sam do adu tok sele adu lo ga
sorry marak thachage hojiki adugi kaino da moina marking to bra marks kaya bong manunda kaya na pass mark oi aduga how many questions do you remember it came
question je mem 12 question oi ba male aduga mark ki matang je ai khong de ko moina kayam handok no kayam kaino le yeng no adu di khang de aduga moi tangkha en de anam na khandok khay
and how many minutes
30 minutes
30 minutes okay
So before proceeding,
30 minutes
I can I also can hanging ba mga say Hujik Nirmal na ko grooming gi mention taw gin na ko yamna su samsang da ba ten da ba de gi sud anan ba set pa ha bise so sigi matang da hidi khang ta ba mayam amna hidi how important grooming for that day first appearance ne ko yeng do sina try you go only like less than 5 minutes ne banang first day da hayeng next day final gi damakta assessment gi damakta invitation phang na gi damakta you have done a lot of efforts like you have put lot of efforts wearing nice suits and some kapana groom tawdana tawidana ko so nangi idea da haidi nang hana chatringai da lairamba nangi perception duga hayeng nang na first day yawru bagi invitation phanga ko nangi effort what it oibra how or what message do you want to give to the aspirants atopa interview chat ka do mayam se da nang haipir haining ba laibra so describe about this grooming part
ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯧꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯂꯦꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯃꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯅꯥꯟꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯖꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯣꯠꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦꯕ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯊꯛꯅ ꯆꯥꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯎꯠꯇꯣꯔꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯎꯠꯂꯣ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ kaya tayo mo yun do mije kaya tayo kitang appealing mo ito kasi kanto era mije
brand so sigong kanda grooming sida di lakwa matamda what do you think si say brand and image ki lakra la idana hidi mamanga ko na preparation daw so hayi bedo hidi competition wang banina they always look natra movie mayinga pa matamda karamba heroine karamba hero na phazabi heli have compare to badu main tawdana company masen brand moy comparison taro pa matamda so definitely they are checking the brand ambassador like why okay being a cabin crew are the brand ambassador of that airline na cha aduragadi you will be hired by that airline so they make sure that when hire toriba mi say yare mayam mamang da puthokpa yare have dun yeng is in a chat this is why you were prepared to show that I am eligible to wear your uniform to represent your company sisinibanang na tawbase ko so thank you so much you have mentioned quite important points mayam habigre ko aduga what do they look at you when you enter nang now hadi equity invitation assessment di tamakta nang na logo tong ba matamdana moina nang oda yeng ise kamay ni yeng what do you think in your mind what was that moment nang kamay ni feel to we
first of all hoy ke moy aham da grooming yeng ko grooming je khazna yeng adugi mathanga moina personality mi amagi personality have like ang paga hoy greeting dawa adagi smiling face upa adagi moida kata moina hangiba question do moina pamba adugumba kata believe tawda isana aina khuma iba answer do isana believe tawwa adugumda am yenge ba ado hoy moina pamagadi just 1 minute 1 to 2 minutes adum question de kasu pa hangda adum moina pamagadi adum invite tawe ba aduga pamragadi question de matham danga adu hoy adu hai ta
and how many interviewers were there on the first day when invitation makidada
I think around 200 to 300 people, I think. But half of them are cut off.
Candidates.
Candidates. Aduna candidates. Aduga interviewer. Kaya
interviewer. I think there are four interviewers. One is from yes.
And were they like? Do you remember what nationals they were?
Yes. The one is the senior cabin crew was from Spain. Her name is Victoria. And then one is from Maldives, and then one is from Sri Lanka, and one is from India.
Wow!
I think only for
you know what? No wonder they select you because they you even remember the names and where they are from, guys.
English case to the kari no.
English case.
English case taseng haragadi ayi one di kasu yamna kahena lubadi odi adubu question je kata yamna confusing tatpadi khadi oi question je phana pahawda di yamna laithalaga hangeba aduga basically oina di yamna ka ena luba na te koi class koi na workshop ta tawgibla che kaino na ta ki adum hangeba aduga kasu industry oina di ka ena luba na te adu question di phana di pabiyo ai pahawda di na khangode
Khwaidagi confusion chapa mapa se karamba oi comprehension part oi bra or makoina kamaina piri like is it like multiple choice oi bra kamain tawe
multiple choice in oye aduga hanbagi paragraph ama hanapi Qatar gi mara adugi aduda question ahum laigre ko Qatar je paragraph adugi da question da paraga dum paragraph to adum answer bu de dum yawe ado ga question ji ka ta lairaga hangapani na kitang confusion chale ba adu jeng hogda di adu ka pakai adu katani atai di yam second day the high this lower high ka kaino start check away
okay adugi matang da hapetang habiro kamain tawgen
high check away matang je adu je high check hana tawaga adum tangaga moi ani phamamme aduga moi phamaga car gi matang da question ka hange ko aduga ai de adum khumdome adum kadare ai adu bokti ke sibude harakite ai khumame aduga kadare question khara personality gi manda khara hange nangi personality je one day na 10 bokti manong da hangagadi
hoy
kaya ni hagumba ai adagi people ne money ne adagi kaino time haba adugi ahum din madung da an
idea. I think you told me people, money, and idea, right? Something like that.
Do mine. Do mine. Adu hangye. Adagi kadawagi Kevin Crew ni no. Adagi kadibek art story no. Adugumba adagi nangi Qatar da nangi hana khangaba mi dai ra du tawra adugumba. Kasu ai ngone di question ja.
Aramra.
Aramite.
Thank you. Ado overall nang hana interview first time ne chatli se hana chatringai de nang nakhalamba duga huji chatlaba matungda oirakpa duga kono what is the difference nang hujikti loina mag realize tor mani na tra so what are the preparation that you need to focus on next time nang na chatpa matamna
I na focus ta wado de ai kitang yamna lusala tanga da ai kitang nervous le ko Jadi kita nervous dan sepaka calm down of nervous ada ai kata main kata form main kata tu ada ai yang hau tu ya mail hau tu ada gumba kai yang kan ni ada atai jadi ai grooming je kita kari improve tahu ni
perfect so you have learned many things right nang khangjari mama improve tahu ni ta
my first mayam ai khala oi adu tawre khalak train adumaina khan kan ba nangi first interview se chatragadi environment gi familiarization do khangaroi natra so ai oininge haraga kijaina chattaba chattana laithokpa do adu yade ko salaga sidagi ne nang lesson learn do tawani mathangda nangi asoiba do nangna learn tawraga okay next time ai smai tawrage na isana khangjaba ne ba environmental familiarize oraga mathangdagi di mu pakhat pasu kara handara ani ko but we are very impressed nangi first interview da daina tawra this international gi ko very good ado physically second kaino da second day gi da adumaina mu question do hange last final day gi hapatang wari libro
last final day the second day da mogi kaino gi matang form home pide ko what is the lu kan form home piraga form home do manung da amadi scar gi matangi do men salamani adu amadu di moy rum la hawe adu wa nongalaga form mani do id ka tare id personal detail ke adu me am do men salaga adu gi do pi ga da ne ba adu pi ga adu da moy ko question round ka ta we ka ta hacha round ha ga da me
adu 1 to 1 oi bra comment tawe adu round
1 to moy adu da moy ani phama me adu ga kai ai kan da tanga adu mo 1 to 1 adu mai tawe adu question di adu da ai
kainam thangi adugi lakpa do na kenange first day da 200 300 mugla in hare adui no meto da nang kaya muk clear tawi till that round happy idea libra mi kaya la I kaina
che adudi ai khangba ngamje kai na da koi timing je mi amamum gi on timing ji tira me ba ai gi 5 4:15 da chatleba ai 4:15 da oinina ado ai na changba kam du ni ani khata le ame ni ni je moi je loy ta ti oi le ame du ma khata na du kazu adu mai lagu ma
Okay, bye bye. Haro, makhat.
aduga moi adugi matang ga aina ke tare lo shala koi matang ge sida aina soi gi ba ha gi da ai mistake to ai relax tam dare ba ai si matang ja ga ai khangoi ai soi de ai ke tare interview di thana pi na ai soi do last hour do ai khang ai nervous tat kre ba na ke tare moi kitang confidence lai do pa me moi ge ka ai confidence na over confidence pa me moi ado ai kitang soi ba ga
nervous oi basi nang situation do khang bangam da right situation aware oi bra nang ado like most of the time
isana de aware oi hai matam da aina kaino men khatkib do ada aina soi gi ba yawi ba adu da gi adum ai je adum kada spiraling adum oi ga ai
nervous chatleba adigi wakhan da.
So the next time the queen khangadop say so guys whenever you do in real life bu oiro interview chat pa matam da bu oiro ko in general ko gi situation awareness say yam important oi ko so for you Nirmal as well haidi akoina khangjagadam we should able to being aware what is happening around you koina tawriba se kaino aina laiba mafam se kaidno and then we have to understand ko what that information means to you nang na meliba form do kari gino moina pami se natraga moina si hangaiba question se kai gino moina pami se expectation so nang situation aware oiraga di sigi pots understand to bangam gani ko aduga we have to think ahead so comment or think ahead to do have matam da how will affect you in future aina hujik tawrise si sa heng ai kai soirak pa matam da kaidawani lalak pa matam da kaidawani what if aina si hagi matam so si the situation awareness ni ko so we always have to being khoi gi situational awareness yam important oi ko when you are going for the interview bo oiro the mi tina bo oiro especially even in a group discussion hai ba matang ama lai ko do I am not sure handak yaw bra nang piram bra group discussion kai yaw da bra
che adugi matang group discussion le taw dra handak le covid na oi ga khang ge ko
COVID na male.
All right so
adum man taw ga
okay what else
All right. So, kano tao say. So, at the end, kano array bo oina ko like we ako yung workshop ki matang dang last nag interview si loger ko. Workshop ta nang na yaw pa matam da nang kanagi through dagi khangak pano and then like did it really help you for your nang interview chat pagi matang to that did it really help you ado hapitang habiyo.
hoi ai workshop se ahan da ai member na ai hana institute am da member na gi makara ka da training ni lem bane adu ga magi mana smaina workshop smaitawi Kevin Krugi yawning ba na ai hoi yawning ni na ai smai to yaw kone adu ga hoi workshop se ai hai jo hai ga di yamna kanai ko ai institute da phang da ba ka ta re interview skill adagi amama yamna anouwa kaya aingonda aina mati ahanba interview sakja kaya aingonda yamna kanaba yam phange aduga hoi thank you che loinwa kaya kaduma I next time I kaya to
We have that big faith in you. Don't worry. Okay. So class la pumatanda something really we were impressed about Nirmal was each and every day, every class that he was always on time. Aduga presentable oiraga adom like no matter how tired he is, mado we can see that how much he want to be a cabin crew. Mado dress up tawraga phasana nalaga adom lae ko. And then we had that impression from him that how much he is dedicated. Aduna cabin crew oiningba kaino oitaragadi ko adugumba don it should come from your heart. Madang na ko aduduna no wonder why first attempt the nang final round na round yo na changi do international airline adusu. No wonder like it's meant for you nang na kayang pami have do ko na ubo phangge ba nangi dedication dugi atungin na deserve to way but very good and we wish you all the best Nirmal and tam nang makhatabiro kay hi do ba anything to add before we end the live
regarding Mr. Nirmal say I site the hierarchy among all the akwigi candidates site are aspirants mayam amakwina workshop to mayam sidigi student mayam maratagi he's a person I would say is resilient site areko ma say resilience oiba me mane khale because
he has the capacity to recover quickly from any difficulties pu oiro any challenges mayam sila overcome to bangame. So this is why I would say that Mr. Nirmal is a resilient mangon da ko sige power haitare per mangon da sige personality sila ko. So it means ma say learn to ko ma dum every session kuding magtagi he try to know what has happened, what is happening ko aduga ma say masana monitor to ba, and then surrounding sa ko situation awareness habitare yam na vigilant oy basu oy ko ma he knows exactly what he is looking, he knows what he wants he should do say and also he always anticipate all for all the sessions and activities. This is why he is able to reach the final grand finale interview. So I was telling, everyone has individual unique features po oiro. Unique quality ma'am like every workshop to there are like 10 to 15 student like I always try to recover or discovered mogi abilities, unique abilities, have the masana hangdok ko. Ako'y naghangaga so we don't trust sometimes because of our environment hagadra ako'y nalaiba ako'y society hagadra maybe family issues. Sigong bamayam sina ako'y na laizariba ako'y unique abilities mayam sa ako'y discover to bangam daba. But when you have the surrounding which you can talk about yourself, which is what is good, what is not good sa. To bumatam da hangdok ko panam dingam me ko. So I was appreciating each and every individual students who ever participate in the workshop. They all are unique. They all have a very good, personality. Aduga, one of the good personality which I was saying, Mr. Nirmal has that resilience things. He always try to learn, and I ask other people to learn from each other, and they always choose. Okay, I like this person. I like that person. Maybe because Nirmal has that quality, I want to learn, and everybody want to learn, but in a different way. Aduga mana hire pamatamda, mana explain to pamatamda. It's really attracted to the people. That's why people wants to be like him. So we should learn from each individual person. What I know, maybe Nirmal doesn't know. What Nirmal knows, what I don't know. So something like similar as well. Syria has some qualities, unique qualities, which I am not able to do it. So that's what we are combining in a whole package. Combined workshop this mine form to. So we all have roles and responsibilities in 5 weeks workshop, and if you guys need any assistance or we do it preparation workshop na taba top another site preparation way. So if you guys really interested, you can just drop your phone number or email address, anything, so we can add you and go for the interview. Our aim and mission or vision leiragadi, we try to produce more cabin crew so they can see the world easily. So this is the only way to reach every corner of the world. So there is no other job or profession like cabin crew. With the minimum qualification, as well as you get to learn, you get to interact many things. So this is the only thing from my side. Thank you so much everyone for staying until
Thank you so much for watching till the end. Aduga thank you so much Nirmal nangi last moment oita so yaurpagidamakta. So we really wanted to do this live with you. Aduga, we wish you all the best, and guys I hope you will whoever missed live, I hope you will be able to learn something from this live. We will be saving the live ado haipatang changaga yengbiyo, or you can recommend to your friends. It's all for you guys. So and akogi next key workshop say will be starting like 1st or 2nd week of March. 6th we will be finally hitting the number 6 workshop. With this yam 10 matam sida successful so oy, because we really do it from our heart. We are really doing it from our heart. Okay, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching.
Okay guys, I hope this live session was useful. This video was useful. Kanaramani khale hojiki duda kanade haibadi yare ko hojiki live session duda ada have had idea de lairamani kaino Qatar Airways ki hojik toriba interview se kamaina tauge habdo khangamani ko adudagi ado somna fresher ni experience laite haibagi wakhando thado o aduga apply tawsanbiyo Shillong and Guwahati de la is I think it may be first time in Qatar na dumai naga lai do ko aduga so sidagi hena henba chance to yengoro no Manipur de la aro do ne apply to biyo ko do apply to bagi link to ai makha da hapsare aduga to biyo photo si chang da bane ha magi apply to bai to resume da yarga di photo hapiyo ko aduma laire ado somna invitation phangaga di please let me know or let us know koi cabin crew from Manipur team da khangan biro koi Instagram page ama lai cabin crew from Manipur na adu follow tobiro. And by the way, we're starting our next batch in March first week da huzagani ado mayamna interest leiragadi cabin crew oiningbagi kaino leir cabin crew or aviation industry da changningba leir taradi akoi workshop to please I mean you are more than welcome join us. Aduga it's there is a registration fee yamna yamde ko affordable yamna oi aduga kaino tawe tha magi shopping jatline na dum hyped shopping chathu ubaine not very hi-fi shopping but adumai chatpane khandoga you can spend on that and then make your dreams come true. Anyway, so we are all there to help you guys, and thank you so much for watching till the end, and bye bye, take care, do not forget to subscribe.